Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out from your Audible account in the Audible app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, which actually opens up like this. Then we tap on the cog icon in the top right corner. Here we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on sign out. The app is going to prompt us if we are sure about signing out from our Audible account, and we can proceed by tapping on sign out, or if we made up our mind, we can just tap on cancel and not sign out from the app. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. You just go into the profile menu, tap on settings, scroll down to the bottom, tap on sign out, and then tap on sign out again. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.